My wife drives an 03 S10 Blazer, has 4.3 engine, and the other day it started to idle quite roughly, wanted to shut off, missing quite a bit. And as I scanned it, I found the code P0300. P stands for the powertrain. The 0 after the P is just a generic rather than a manufacturer specific code. The 3 stands for the ignition system or misfiring system, and then the 00 gives you a little bit more specific information about what the trouble is. The thing that I found was this 4.3 has a distributor cap, and it has a rotor, just like the old engines. And the rotor was the problem. Right at the tip of the rotor there was a carbon buildup. You can see where the arrow is pointing to. I took my fingernail and I was able to remove quite a bit of it. I did replace both these, but I think that if it would have been my Blazer instead of my wife's, I probably would not have replaced it. I would have probably just sanded it off very, very lightly. I'm not sure what caused that, but that may have worked or it may not have worked. And looking at YouTube, there's some other different areas that people suggested to check for this random misfire. A clogged fuel filter, spark plugs, bad wires can give you the same code. Low fuel pressure may be a problem with the fuel pump. Vacuum leaks can cause random misfires according to those videos. A weak battery. It's strong enough to start the engine, but the voltage or amperage is low and starts causing problems. A clogged catalytic converter was something else they suggested, as well as another person said it could be a bad coil not giving you a good, strong, steady spark. So hopefully this helps you. I lucked out, and it just happened to be carbon built up right at the tip of the rotor. Have a good day. Thanks.